Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to be unboxing a brand new tool from DripWorks that's perfect for any gardener, the Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter. The Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter is a one-of-a-kind tool designed to make transplanting seedlings and small plants easier, faster, and more efficient. It features a durable stainless steel construction that's built to last, and a comfortable grip that makes it easy to use. Let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, the Garden Bee Transplanter comes in a sleek and informative box that highlights the product's features and benefits. Here we have the transplanter itself, which feels very sturdy in my hand here. And I'll take a closer look at some of the key features of the Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter. This transplanter is built to withstand even the toughest gardening conditions. The ergonomic handle design makes it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. The center of the transplanter has depth markings to ensure you plant your seedlings the correct depth. The scalloped edges of the transplanter help you loosen soil and minimize root damage during transplanting. Using the Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter is simple and straightforward. Here's how it works. Simply push the transplanter down into the soil to create a hole for your seedling. The depth markings on the center will help you ensure you're planting at the correct depth. Place your seedling in the hole created by the transplanter. Gently press the soil around the base of the seedling to secure it in place. There are many benefits to using the Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter. By creating a clean hole and minimizing root damage, the transplanter helps to reduce transplant shock and promote healthy plant growth. This tool makes transplanting seedlings very quick and easy, saving you time and effort in the garden. By ensuring that seedlings are planted at the correct depth, the transplanter helps to improve plant establishment and growth. Overall, the DripWorks Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter is an excellent tool for any gardener who wants to make transplanting seedlings easier, faster, and more efficient. Its durable construction, comfortable grip, and helpful features make a valuable addition to any gardener's toolbox. If you're looking for a way to streamline your transplanting process and improve your health of your plants, I highly recommend checking out the Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter from DripWorks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for any more gardening tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about the Garden Bee Stainless Steel Transplanter or any of our other Garden Bee tools, leave a comment below or visit dripworks.com. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us, and happy gardening.